Windows 11 is the latest operating system from Microsoft. It might feel brand new, but it was actually released at the end of 2021. With Windows 11 comes a whole raft of new features and settings. If you're interested in the user experience of Windows 11, we have a separate video detailing all of these changes. But for now, let's take a look at the accessibility changes to Windows 11. We'll begin by heading to the Settings application. Head to the Start menu and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll notice Windows 11 now calls Accessible Settings as Accessibility, whereas in Windows 10 and prior, this was known as Ease of Access. To reduce the number of clicks an end user has to make, you'll find all settings have been surfaced into Vision, Hearing, and Interaction with clearer settings beneath each header. The Settings app has become better integrated with itself as well. For example, if I need to change my display into dark mode, within the color filter settings at the bottom are all the related settings. One of these is dark mode. A favourite feature of mine to share with you today is voice access, the modern way for you to interact with your PC, open apps, and author text. A person with low mobility can efficiently use their computer without being slowed down. I was very humbled when a colleague of mine reached out looking for a feature exactly like this while they have an operation on their dominant hand, which means they can't use their mouse for the foreseeable. Voice access is a brand new feature with Windows 11 and supports you even while you're offline. A top tip from Softcat is that the accessibility settings is not exclusive to the Settings app. You can find them in the taskbar as well. When clicking on the Wi-Fi, sound and battery options in the bottom right of your screen, there is a tile button for accessibility. Whilst it does not include all of the settings, you'll still find quick access to some of the settings that can be enabled with a simple toggle. A second tip, which is one of my favourites, is focus mode, and it's seen an update. It's simpler, cleaner, and more intuitive. Just navigate to the bottom right where the time and date are, and just below the calendar is a button called Focus. You can select how long you would like to focus for, and it'll work out when you should be taking your breaks. Focusing mutes notifications, leaving you to do what you do best without any new interruptions.